Hey, what's up guys? I just made a video on how to build a cornhole set. I've had people ask me what goes into building a cornhole set, how long does it take and all that. So I put together all the aspects of what I do, from cutting the sheet to pocket hole drilling to drilling out the hole for the center to all that, the design on the top, sanding and all that. So I made a video. It's kind of long, but it shows you step by step on how to do it. So if you want, take the video and go build your own cornhole. Have fun with it. Hope you enjoy it. So first thing that I do with this 4 foot by 8 foot piece of plywood is measure 4 feet down, cut this bad boy in half, and that gives me 2 sets of tops. And now that I have a 4 foot by 4 foot section, I go along with the grain and I cut 2 feet. So that way I'll have 2 feet by 4 feet, official size for the cornhole sets. Once the cutting is done, then you got to blow off all that sawdust, keep that work area clean. And then you just go straight into stripping down pieces to get the sides and the legs. And those are all cut at 2 inches wide. Now we're stripping down some smaller sections for underneath the cross section, supports, and the legs. So cutting those down, same size, easy breezy, keeping them at 2 inches wide. Now with all of our pieces stripped down, I'm measuring them and making sure that they are at the right size, with 20.5 inches for the cross beams and 46 inches on the sides. That way they fit underneath the boards rather than flush with the edge. That's just how I build my boards. Now once I have them marked, I'm just going to go through and cut all of them so they are the same size and will fit flush. And now onto the fun part of cutting the hole. I measure down 9 inches, measure across in the middle of the board 12 inches, and that way the 6-inch hole will fit in perfectly. And then I use my rounded edge router and smooth out the hole, and then go through and sand the tops, the sides, the bottoms, everywhere, and get it nice and smooth up to 220 grit. Now with those sides and cross sections that I've cut, I am measuring where to pocket hole. So all of this will be underneath the board so the tops will be nice and smooth without any hardware showing. So with the lengths that I cut the sides and the cross sections with, I measure in 1 inch along the edge, and I make some markings so that way when I put them on there, I can square them up and have a nice square bottom. I lay down some glue on the inside of my markings, clamp it down, and then get ready to pocket hole screw. Once all the screws are in, I take the clamps off, sand the sides, make sure everything's nice and smooth before I put on the legs. Now with my leg pieces that I've already cut, I measure in 1 inch from the top, and then right in the middle of the board, I drill a hole, and then I shape up the sides with my saw before I take them to the sander and get them nice and finished. Now when the legs are all finished and ready to go, I use a jig that I made to put the legs in the right spot, clamp them down, drill a hole to put the bolts in. Gotta leave your mark on all your projects. Now once all that is done, your boards are ready to go. Now you just gotta decide what you wanna do on the tops. So these, I measured out, taped up, and painted, and gave them to the customer. I think they ended up really nice. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, learning how to make a cornhole set. You guys remember, this is just how I do it. Do it how you want. Use this as a tool if you need it. Have fun with it. Thanks for watching, guys.